Chubb, are you bored?
Yeah,
We have some extra Nerf guns.
we should make a series of a Nerf gun.
That's a really good idea.
Where are the Nerf guns?
Oh, they're right in the bin right there.
No, this is Pie Face.
Oh, I could have swore I put the Nerf guns in there. Let's search the room. Not over here.
Not under here. Is it under here?
Nope.
Is it on the rabbit?
Tarzan swings, I found one. It's this thing.
Oh,
We can use this. One more to go.
oh no! I found one.
Good. Let me see this. Let me see. Oops. Let's put it here. Hold your gun, Chubb.
Yeah. Wait.
No, Chubb.
Oh.
Hey, Chubb, grab your gun and let's have some fun.